At Independent Drum Lab, we love helping gigging drummers. So I'm very excited to share with you our new Rail Mount Retrofit, which is an addition to our existing line of ultralight tom holders. I probably don't have to tell you there's lots of terrible rail mount systems out there. There's vintage ones like this one, or even newer designs that are unreliable, unstable, or hard to break down for transportation. So I'm going to show you how our new Rail Retrofit can install on your existing drums and make them infinitely more giggable. So the first thing we do is just break down the kit and remove the existing rail. So the next thing we're going to install is these end plate brackets. And these are designed to work with either 4-hole systems like this with the 2 screws, or if you have just a 2-hole system, you just remove those and put one in the center. This is just going to install in place of the original factory holes. And another one on the other side. And then we hold those in place with the fender washers and lock nuts. All right, next we're going to install our rail mount plate. And we have these in 4 different sizes, so we can fit just about any hole pattern you can imagine. Next we're going to install our base bracket, which just drops into the slot and tightens in place. Next we install the vertical rod. Next we install our tilter assembly, and this can go on in a few different ways. So you can put it on like this and give you a little bit of a horizontal offset, or if we just remove these parts and switch them around, we can install it vertically, which I think is going to work better in this particular application. Then we can install our L-arm. Now we have our gearless tilter. We've got lots of adjustment here. We can really put our tom wherever we want. So the rail mount system comes with a 10.5 millimeter mounting rod, which is ideal if you're using any of our BR2 or BR3 brackets. If you want to stick with a factory bracket, we also offer these L-arms in 9.5 and 12.7 millimeter sizes. In this case, we've got this original bracket, but these are kind of terrible, so we're going to put on a BR2 instead. There we go, that's much better. Now we have some adjustable suspension and a much more secure mounting system. Now we're ready to put it back together. So now we have a much more solid, much more adjustable system that'll actually make the drums sound better. And what's really great about it is when you're ready to tear down and throw your drum in a case, you just remove the tom, and then this whole assembly slides right off. You're ready to go back on, lock it in place. You have a repeatable setup that you can do super quickly and have no issues fitting in your case. It's really a no-brainer upgrade if you've got an existing rail mount. It just makes the kit so much more usable. You can find out more about this system at indedrum.com or email us at info@indedrum.com if you have any questions.